Today I will tell you how to use the NABI 3D VR viewer. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Enter the search term in the YouTube search bar. Search terms include MOCOM 3D, VR NABI, 3D SBS VR, etc. When you search for MOCOM 3D, you will see our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Videos with the same picture on the left and right are 3D SBS videos. Press the playlist to see more videos. You can view it on both Apple and Android phones. Rotate your smartphone horizontally to enlarge the video to fit the entire screen. If the video does not rotate horizontally, please swipe down from the top of your smartphone. Now press the Auto Rotate button in Settings to activate it. After starting the video, if the quality is not good, press the Settings button at the top and adjust the quality. Press Quality, then Advanced, and select the highest number. For Android phones, press the VR Glasses button to enjoy VR videos. Then, place the unfolded VR NABI device in the center of the video. If it doesn't fit exactly, the focus may not be correct, so make sure it fits well. Now hold your smartphone with both hands and enjoy. If you are wearing glasses, you can watch while wearing them. Now immerse yourself in the vivid world of 3D.